VLookup is one of the most useful functions in Excel, especially if you work with large data sets that relate to each other. In this example, I have a list of products: shirts, pants, skirts, and sweaters. Each product has an ID, a type, a size, and a color code. What I need to find out is what color matches the color code. Thankfully, I have another sheet that has a list of color codes and the color associated with each one. But how do I relate the two sets of information? To do this, we use the VLookup formula in Excel. As you can see, the VLookup function has 3 required parameters and 1 optional parameter. Lookup value is the value that we want to look up. Table array is the table where we look for the value specified in the first parameter. Call index num is how many columns to look across in the table array for the data that you're looking for. And range lookup, which is optional. This should be set to false if you want to perform an exact match, which is usually what you want. And if you don't put anything, it's going to default to true, which is approximate matching. And that might not be exactly what you want. Let me show you how to use VLookup in this example. So I want to specify the color code, which is in column D. Then I want to specify the table. This is where the data is that I want to look up. So I go to the color codes tab and I select the entire table. Notice that this table has 3 entries: color code, the date that the entry was created, and the actual color. So what I'm interested in is the color in column C. So for the column index number, I'll put 3 because I want to go 3 columns across where the data is in column C. And then I want to perform an exact match, so I'll type in false here. And there you go, it returned the color magenta for this product. Now we can double check in the color codes table that color code 30126 is magenta. If we go back here, this is the color code that we have, 30126. I can simply drag this formula all the way down to populate all the cells. And there you go, VLookup in Excel. It's that easy to cross-reference data tables, and this can be particularly time-saving in Excel sheets that contain thousands and thousands of rows.